Hello beautiful, I hope you're having a fantastic day. You've seen the title already, you know exactly what we're gonna be reviewing in this video. By the way, if you're liking this makeup look, I literally just filmed a tutorial for this. This is like a 5-minute makeup look, not even joking. The eyeshadow, this thing in here, super quick, super easy. Video should be ready in here. If not, it's gonna come after this video. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna edit faster, so forgive me for that. Alright, this video, as you can see, I have extremely dirty hair because who washes hair every day? Yeah, jokes aside, my hair is very dirty, therefore I have it like this in a back bun, and I have all these pins in here to make it look pretty. But in true reality, it's just camouflaging how dirty my hair is. So in this video, I am checking out the Revolution hair. Yes, Makeup Revolution does hair products. If you don't know this yet, honey, they do. Revolution in general has like loads of little different brands. So Makeup Revolution, Makeup Obsession, Revolution, Revolution Pro, Revolution XS, do you love Revolution? Revolution Planet, did they start a new thing now? I haven't even tried it. It's just so many things popping up from this Revolution brand, you know, that I can't even manage to try all the products. If you would like me to test something specifically, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to get my hands on it. This video though, we're checking out Revolution here, brand new products. So these are the skincare meets hair care. The vitamin C one, the hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid, and caffeine. The one I have in front of me is the hyaluronic acid line. So I got the scalp serum, the shampoo, and the conditioner. So scalp serum, what is this? Scalp serum, oat extract, betaine, panthenol, sulfate-free, silicone-free, amazing. We don't want that. Best for dry scalp. I don't know about you, but during summer when it's hotter, my scalp gets drier. Plus I have a bleach hair. I mean, I'm a natural blonde, it's pretty obvious. So my hair is naturally drier now, so I really need this at the moment. So scalp serum, hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate and maintain moisture. Oat extract contains polysaccharides and beta-glucans that move and hydrate. Betaine helps to nourish. Panthenol improves strength, moisture, and shine. They don't really say for how long to keep. They say it's recommended to keep on overnight. Apply on a dry hair on the scalp, not in the actual hair, just, you know, on the scalp. Keep overnight for the best result, and then rinse it off, and then follow with shampoo and conditioner. I'm obviously not gonna keep it overnight today because I'm filming this video. I'm gonna keep for, let's say, 15 minutes maybe. That should do, right? To see at least some kind of result, and then follow with shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo is hyaluronic hydrating shampoo, oat extract, betaine, panthenol, sulfate-free, silicone-free, suitable for all hair, best for dry hair. Hyaluronic acid hydrates hair, leaving it soft and smooth. Panthenol improves hair strength, moisture, and shine. Sodium PCA, I literally have no idea what it is, a natural moisturizing factor that smooths and hydrates. Oat extract contains polysaccharides and beta-glucans, I have no idea what it is once again, that soothe and hydrate hair. Sunflower seed extract, rich in antioxidants. Betaine helps to protect the hair. Sounds absolutely amazing. Oh, another thing that I forgot to mention, bottle is made from 30% post-consumer recycled plastic. Okay, conditioner. Once again, hyaluronic hydrating conditioner. Okay, I think without any further ado, let's see what we have. I'm gonna start from the scalp serum as it's a step 1, and then I'm gonna follow up with shampoo and conditioner. Love it. Cute, simple packaging, by the way. It's nothing special, but it's cute. It smells very weird. Smells a bit like some kind of medicine. You know what it reminds me? I'm not sure if it's a correct name in English, like peroxide thing, you know, that you would use to clean up your earrings or something like that. It smells like this to me. So smell is not the most pleasant part from this, but hey, if it does the job and all ingredients are amazing, thumbs up for me. Let's see how dirty my hair is, because I said it's quite dirty. This is what we're dealing with. My ends especially are super mega dry because my hair is bleached, and that's a normal thing for a bleach hair, I guess. Let's try the scalp serum first. It says to apply directly on the scalp, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna section here. I'm just massaging this in. So far, it actually doesn't smell as bad as I thought at first. It feels nice on actually. So I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. I'm gonna come back to you to see how it's going and then I can wash it off. Alright, so I kept this scalp serum for over 15 minutes. I kept it like 20 minutes or so. Kinda absorbed into my hair. It's not as wet anymore as it was straight away. Kinda dried off actually. So I think it's time to go and wash it off. I rinsed out the scalp serum. Let's go with shampoo. I'm just gonna apply it as a normal shampoo, you know, lather in, wash it off. Oh, shampoo smells lovely. Okay, I'm gonna go wash this off and then we can try the conditioner. Alright you guys, I just washed off the shampoo. Let's apply the conditioner. As you see, my ends were extremely dry. Just because my hair is bleached. So that's normal. Alright, I'm gonna keep this as we say for 3 minutes and then I'm gonna come back to you so we can wash it off. I'm gonna go and quickly wash it off so we can see the result. My hair already feels very smooth and very soft. So we'll see how it's gonna look after I'm gonna wash it off because now, like, wow. Alright, so I just washed my hair. Here's the thing. As you can tell, I wasn't jumping to the full-on shower. I was washing, you know, my hair just like this. You know what I mean? Anytime washing my hair, even if I use conditioner or anything like that, there would be no way I could run my fingers through without it getting tangled. Not in this case. Like, what? I mean, I am surprised. I mean, it says it's hydrating. So maybe because my hair got so hydrated, my fingers can just slide through. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna blow dry my hair, style as usual. I'm not gonna use any other products. I'm just gonna use the Tangle Brush by Revolution for that. You guys, I'm telling you, my hair is like super smooth now. Wow, okay, I am rather impressed so far. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry my hair, style as usual, not gonna add any products and then come back to you with a finished result. But so far, really impressed. Like, my hair feels super smooth. Alright guys, I gotta be honest, I blow dried my hair. I didn't use the hair straightener because I thought it looks good enough. I didn't use any additional products like shine spray or, you know, the end serum or anything like that. Just look at this, like, I am literally shocked. I wasn't expecting this outcome. I didn't say this in the beginning of the video, but I thought because it says hydrating, I thought my hair might look a bit greasy after, just because of this name, hydrating. I was like, if it's shampoo and conditioner hydrating, I don't mind hydrating, you know, hair mask or anything like that, because later you wash off with shampoo, it's all gone, right? But then shampoo and conditioner says hydrating. I'm like, I might look like a ball of oil or something, but hey ho, I was wrong. Look how shiny my hair looks. Can you see? No added product, nothing. My ends doesn't look as dry. Do you guys see this? How shiny. Because this was so damaged in the beginning of the video. Like, it looked extra dry and all, and look at that now. So moisturized, super shiny. Humongous thumbs up from me for this Revolution Haircare Hydrating Hyaluronic Serum, Shampoo and Conditioner. Have you guys tried any of these products or any of the Revolution Haircare products? I tried quite a few. Actually, I'm gonna try and link all the videos that I've done in here. Alright, that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, press the button. It's totally free, it doesn't cost you a penny. It majorly would support my channel. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you tried any of these hair products by Revolution and what should I review in my next video. And I shall see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Have a superb day, guys. Ciao!